Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing KAYAK Miami Beach. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a bar. KAYAK Miami Beach, attractively located in the South Beach district of Miami Beach. KAYAK Miami Beach is located 1,650 feet from Miami Beach, 0.9 miles from Lummus Park Beach and 1.6 miles from South Pointe Park Beach. Among the facilities of this property are a restaurant, a 24-hour front desk and a concierge service, family rooms and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. At the hotel, rooms include air conditioning, a seating area, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a safety deposit box and a private bathroom with a shower, a hairdryer and free toiletries. At KAYAK Miami Beach, the rooms are equipped with bed linen and towels. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.